Xerophyte is a complicated word to say and spell. It's derived from the Greek, meaning dry plant, which is kind of literal, as when you think about it, these plants can grow with very little water, unlike you, if you're a human, who needs water to grow and to survive.
The sciencey definition is that xerophytic plants grow in areas with restricted water supplies and have adaptations to reduce water loss through transpiration.
These adaptations include having a thick waxy cuticle, rolling of leaves, hairy leaves, especially in the lower epidermis, stomata being in pits or grooves, and the leaves having a reduced surface area to volume ratio.
One plant which has a thick waxy cuticle is Agave bovicanita.
Its genus is agave, and it's also part of the clade called monocots.
It's native to mountainous regions in Mexico.
The thick waxy cuticle acts as a waterproof layer to prevent water vapour from transpiring out of the leaves.
It also increases the diffusion pathway, and this retains water vapour better as it has to diffuse further.
Another adaptation is the rolling of leaves. An example of this is marram grass.
Its genus is Amathilla, and its clade is monocot.
They are native to the coasts of the North Atlantic Ocean.
The rolled leaves form an irregular shape, and this allows pockets of humid air to be trapped near the stomata.
This also reduces the water potential gradient, so less water vapour transpires out of the plant.
Xerophytes can also have hairy leaves to prevent water loss. A plant with this adaptation is Mammaluria Bokuzhana.
Its genus is Mammaluria, and it's part of the Eudicots clade.
Also, it is native to northern central Mexico.
This adaptation prevents water loss, as it increases the surface area around the plant to trap humid air.
Therefore, the gradient is reduced and less water vapour transpires out of the plant.
Another adaptation is the location of the stomata. Instead of being in the open, like most plants, they are found in pits or grooves.
A xerophyte which has this adaptation is Nerium Oleander. It belongs to the genus Nerium and the clade Eudicots.
Also, it's native to the Mediterranean basin.
This adaptation allows plants to collect water and water vapour in these indentations.
This, in turn, reduces the water potential gradient, so less water transpires.
The final adaptation is that xerophytes' leaves have a reduced surface area to volume ratio.
This adaptation is Pereskia Grandifolia. It is part of the Pereskia genus and the Eudicots clade.
It is native to northeastern Brazil.
This adaptation means that there is less surface area for water vapour to leave.
This means the rate of diffusion is slower, as there are less stomata for water vapour to transpire out of.
In turn, this reduces water loss.
There is another type of plant called CAM plants, which are also specially adapted to dry environments.
These plants use the crassulaceum acid metabolism to minimize photorespiration. This is where plants give out carbon dioxide instead of oxygen, a bit like we do.
This adaptation is beneficial as it allows the plant to leave most of their stomata closed during the day, and this allows less water vapour to transpire out.
It also means that they can retain water better, and that they do not have to continuously take water up from an already limited supply. We hope you enjoyed our video about xerophytic plant adaptations and our attempts at Latin pronunciations. For more information, go to our website at www.tutoreagle.co.uk.